Alright, on today's video, and today we're gonna go trail riding, so, yeah, it should be fun. My mom, she dropped us off right here, so that way we could, I guess, ride all the way home. If you guys recognize where we're at, cool, good. Well, not really a good thing, but yeah, I just had to make sure that this was recording. Because sometimes you'll press the button for it to record, but then it won't record. So, yeah, gotta watch that. Yeah, so we're gonna go trail riding, and if I can, I'll tell a bit of a story that happened just the other day. So, yeah, we should have a good day. I hope so. Hopefully nothing happens. From, I think, was it the last trail ride? This happened to my dad's bike. So, yeah. Alright, well, looks like we're gonna get going here. Alright. Turn off my choke. And I'm just gonna follow Dad. There's something. Ah, sand. Worst enemy for a bike. Oh God, it feels weird being on this bike. Yeah, it's all sand. Not good for a bike. Oh God. Bike almost went right there. Oh God. It's all sand. It's all sand. I didn't know it was all sand. Oh God. Hopefully it clears up into good trails. Holy moly, is it bumpy. And my front end just almost slid out right there. And he is quite far ahead. Shift up here. Oh God, I do not like this. It's all sand. Oh God. Yeah, he just left me. I probably should have wore a sweatshirt, because it is a little cold right now, but oh God. Just gonna follow Dad's path, because he is on a 650 and it'll plow and sand a lot harder than this one will.
Your feet off the ground, put them on your pegs and get your ass off the seat. Lean back. That front end will float more than plow it. You're doing it wrong.
Okay. And that's how he is. thinking that this would be all sand. So, yeah. I guess story time about a Karen. Now, we probably all know of a Karen. By the time you're at least 10, you've seen one and heard one. Now, I met quite a few Karens. And this one was, I don't know how to say it, but we were in the grocery store. I'm not gonna say what grocery store, but we were at a grocery store, and we were hungry. It was around 12 o'clock, probably. And this store had popcorn chicken. Now, for me, it's pretty good. My mom likes it, and so do I. So, we got some, and we were still going around the store, so I took a piece. Then this Karen, this absolute Karen, just comes up to me and says, "Are you gonna pay for that?" And just the most Karen voice. You could see the Karen cut and everything. I thought it was just funny. And Dad was waiting for me. Okay. But anyway. So yeah, there's this Karen, and we kinda what ended up happening is the Karen, oh god, I do not like this. I hate heights. Oh god. I don't want to go for a swim. I honestly don't right now. Oh god, I hate heights. So yeah, and then, like I said, she comes up to us, and hold up, give me a second.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Now we turn around and go back.
Okay.
You like this trail better?
Yeah, a little sandy, but...
Well, learn to get your feet on the pedals and your ass off the seat.
Yeah. Alright, let's go into gear here. Let's see what he wants.
Coming into the curves, corners,
Yeah?
watch for the ruts.
Yeah.
What you'll get is the ruts coming in this way and the ruts going that way. They'll overlap and make an X.
Yeah.
And it'll grab your front end and suck it right out from underneath you.
Yeah.
Feel that front end start to get bogged down, nail the throttle and lean back.
Okay. And we're just gonna get going here. So anyway, yeah, we basically got popcorn chicken, and we ate some because we're getting hungry, and it was around lunchtime, and no big deal. And we've gone up with an empty canister of popcorn chicken, and the people checking us out, they don't mind. They do not care. Long as we pay for it, it's fine. It's not weighed out or anything. It's priced the exact same for every single one. She said, "Are you gonna pay for that?" Well, no doubt. What do you think? Is what I should have said, but I said something completely different. Ooh. I've never got that high in the RPMs before. I've never bounced this thing off a rev limiter. But it is a 2008, so motor hasn't blown yet. And until it does, I'm not gonna hit rev limiter. Let's not go in the mud. Oh god. Throwing mud. Great. Yeah, this bike's gonna need a cleaning. Kinda have it in the high RPMs right now. Just kinda get the bike warmed up. Well, probably is by now, but just like being in the high RPMs. And if I need to, I'll shift up. If I don't need to, I won't shift up. I'll shift down. Well, we're sort of keeping up and catching. Just slowly. Slowly but surely. Throttle just a little bit. First, okay. If you stay off to the side of the trails, it shouldn't be as sandy. Sometimes it is sandy. Mini Mountain Dew can. And then also, you want to stay where it's wet. It may sound weird, but wet sand is a lot more hard packed, I guess, is what you could say. So it's better for riding. I usually think I looked at this trail on Google Maps. It said it was quite sandy. I think I did. I'm not sure though. Shift up to third. And we go. Maybe not. I've seen guys on dirt bikes with paddle tires out here in the sand. You want to talk about a rough ride on smooth surfaces? That is... yeah, not the best thing. I actually got my phone. Oh god. Oh, she don't like that. Alright. Yeah, ow, my back hurts. Got like a pound of dirt in each boot. Or a pound of sand in each boot. Ow. God dang. Well, it's hard for me to rev up and stand up at the same time. So...